Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular dashcams. The Baiasu dashcam front and rear, which offers 2.5K front and 1440p rear recording, and the ROVE R2 to 4K dual dashcam, known for its impressive 4K front recording. We'll delve into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed choice. When it comes to resolution, the ROVE R2 to 4K clearly takes the lead with its 4K front recording capability, providing stunning clarity and detail. In contrast, the Baiasu dashcam offers a respectable 2.5K front and 1440p rear recording, which, while decent, does not match the high-definition output of the ROVE. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the quality of footage captured, especially in critical situations. The Baiasu dashcam is equipped with essential features like a G-sensor, loop recording, and a parking monitor, but lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS. On the other hand, the ROVE R2 to 4K comes packed with advanced features including built-in Wi-Fi for easy video access, GPS for location tracking, and superior night vision capabilities thanks to its STARVIS2 sensor. This makes the ROVE a more comprehensive solution for users looking for enhanced functionality. Price is always a critical factor when making a purchase decision. The Baiasu dashcam is priced at a budget-friendly $79, making it an attractive option for those looking for basic functionality without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ROVE R2 to 4K is priced at $199, reflecting its advanced features and higher resolution. While it is a more significant investment, the added capabilities may justify the cost for many users. In conclusion, both dashcams have their strengths and weaknesses. The Baiasu dashcam offers great value for those on a budget, while the ROVE R2 to 4K excels in resolution and advanced features. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.